is a 1925 Double T Firetruck. Actually came from the natural soda products out in Keeler and was used for years out there. We acquired it from an old guy named Chucky Miller, and he thought it would never run again. But thanks to the Long Beach Model T Club, this thing's cherry. Thanks to the Long Beach Model T Club, this thing's cherry. So anyway, some of the finer points of driving a Model T is this that looks like a parking brake is a parking brake, but it also doubles as a clutch. The pedal on the left is low range when you push it down and high range when you let go of it. The one in the middle is reverse. And these are all controlled by your clutch lever here. So when you smash down on this, you let the clutch lever out slowly, and then you'll be either going forward or reverse. This is a brake over here, which is kind of important. This old T model had what they called a Rocky Mountain overdrive, which was quite the thing in 1925. This is a 2-speed rear end, basically, and probably would do 50 miles an hour if there was somebody brave enough to drive it. The throttle is over here, and the advance and retard of the distributor is there. So when you start this, you retard it. And when you drive it, you advance it. The retard starts more easily in the retard position.
Okay.
So
Where the spark falls relative to top dead center.
exactly right,
Okay.
yeah. It's not an automatic. Yeah, this was cosmetically restored by Bob Babcock, and the Long Beach Model T Club did a complete motor rebuild on a new motor. They acquired a new motor, rebuilt it completely, took our transmission apart and rebuilt it, took the rear end apart and rebuilt it completely. They also supplied us with vintage wheels and tires on all 4 corners. The car was built, or truck, was built for somebody that's about this tall, and Scott and I aren't.
Yeah.
There's a picture of the motor. I think we're in neutral.